This weekend, I have Wes and Walker here with me to hunt and fish. We didn't do good in terms of getting a hog or catching a fish, but we sure did have some awesome encounters with some critters, including a giant softshell turtle that we will show you how we cook over an open fire. We're gonna clean it and prepare it just like I would chicken. And boy, does it taste good. For the remainder of this video, we will be whispering or not talking much. Wes and Walker are in the box blind trying to get on a hog as we speak.
He likes it.
As you can see, I have a couple of helpers with me. Did you see that? I'm so proud of these kids. They get in there, get their hands dirty, and are all doing something that's completely new and alien to them. They are fearless, and I couldn't do this video without them. Good job, kids. And puppies, of course. We're gonna see how Softshell cooks over the fire. Everybody cooks it like stir fry or slow cooks it. We're gonna cook it like chicken. It's just a beautiful day. We got guest hunting. We've been fishing. We didn't do so good, but we've been catching those ninja turtles. See the turtles there?
Yeah.
Carry out his shoulders together. There you go. Good job. You ready? This is what you do. This is only my second time doing this. I definitely wouldn't say that this is my idea of the most fun I've ever had. Turtles and tortoises are some of my favorite critters, and I love them. But I also love the way they taste. The first time we had it in a fryer with some fried fish. So the back is easy. The back quarter is easy to get. I like the skin and all that stuff. Now we're gonna try it over the fire and grill it just like chicken. I'm really looking forward to seeing how it's gonna taste. In this video, I'm only breaking the spine and separating the bone from the spine and the shell. I hear a lot of people say that it's not worth it. Does it even have a lot of meat? Well, let me tell you that a softshell turtle this size has enough meat to feed us all. But this dog doesn't make it easy. There you go. So, trim the fat. You don't want this kind of fat. Oh, did you see that? Yes. Surprisingly, the turtle's neck had a lot of meat. started off by letting it get some smoke. Then we got the fire hot and started grilling.
The old-fashioned way.
The old-fashioned way, Jace. Turtle meat, the old-fashioned way. Here's the neck. Oh, you found mustard in the cooler? Nice. Good. Just using mustard only. Rub it in there. Mustard's great seasoning. If that's all you have. That's the neck right there. All you have is mustard. Use it. How's yours? Chewy but good. It's delicious over the fire. It's very good. Very good. That's light, dark meat. So good. Recipe real. Hey, how was that meat? Is that good? It's hot. I got you. Yeah, right there, Alex. It's nice. How good would it be with lemon? I'm sure the hind legs are gonna be good too. But we're still cooking those. It's bigger. White meat's my favorite. I mean, dark's good too. Oh my gosh, that was a tender piece. We're gonna try that piece right there. How's that, Rena? Is that good? That's soft shell, baby. You're eating turtle. After turning the meat, what seemed like 1,300 times, it's finally ready. To get it just a little more tender, we cover it in foil. Looks so good. Got them wrapped in foil now. Start getting moist, hopefully start falling apart. It's got all the flavor in it now. That's hot. Oh, it's falling off the bone, look. Dude, it's falling off the bone, bro. Ouch. We roasted it over the fire for like 4 hours. Or yeah, did yourself, girl. We did. This is the penis right here, bro.
Well, that's the neck.
Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, why not, bro? Stack it on there like it's barbecue chicken. Look at the rice. Hey, bro, cooked it with mustard, bro.
You cooked it with mustard?
All we had was mustard. That's all we had.
We use your
You proud of us or what?
I don't know. I think it's going to be good. It's right on my house.
It totally outdid ourselves. Oh my goodness, it's coming off like chicken. What?
Don't move this
What?
stuff. I have an idea.
Mmm.
We're going back. I'm just gonna put it in there so it's
Dude, that came out good, bro. Like the most tender and the white's probably gonna be the best, but the dark is pretty good too. It tastes a little bit like fajitas. Go ahead.
Well, what is this part right here?
You don't even have to worry about what the part is, bro. It's all part of the leg.
Is it good?
It has different parts, bro.
What does it taste like?
It's all different.
Chicken.
this one.
You just gotta find it, man. You eat it like a rib, though.
Here, just pick a piece of meat.
That's probably a good start. Did you get some? What do you think?
It's all different, like you said, when you bite into it.
Pretty good, huh? Super high protein, bro.
Yeah, it is really good.
That's some good stuff. Like pulled pork. And try it with that rice, bro. It's good. Take a bite with that rice. Tell me what you think. You liking it?
Yeah, it was
Not
good.
bad for just mustard. And a turtle, though, in the lake.
Yeah, well, I don't know if I could cook it and clean it myself, though.
I'll show you the video. You'll see it. You'll get to see the video. All right, who didn't get any?
Have some more rice.
What do you guys think? Pretty good?
I like it, man. For these kids know when you're in the sticks and this is all you got, they're pretty thankful. Oh, that's good.
I mixed this with the
It might have a few weird textures here and there, but some of it. That's good though. We're tearing it up, y'all.
That's greasy, ain't it?
It's greasy. It is greasy. It's fatty, dude. We had to cut a lot of fat off, bro. She was a little fat little heifer, man. Oh, here's the neck. Try a little bit of the neck. Dude, I'm telling you. Do you like chicken? Do you like turkey neck?
It's really
I
good.
can't. I pushed my limits tonight.
It's the best part.
Dude, I'm telling you. Take a little bite. Just take a small bite.
What part?
It's the neck,
whole
bro. Yes, but I trimmed it really good. It's pure neck muscle. Just nibble around it like it's there's just little meat. You gotta nibble around it with your teeth. Nice little meat, right? Kind of dark a little. You just try turtleneck, man. How do you feel about
That's
that?
probably about my least favorite part.
Is it really? Dude, I like it, man. This is how I eat it. Let your son try some.
Walker, you want to try around the neck? Nope.
Dude, I like it. Dude, I like it. Dude, our neck is good. It's just like turkey meat. It's just like turkey.
Like the red meat?
Yeah. Just rich. And the thing is, it's falling apart, so it's really good.
What is this that I had right here? This was real tender.
That's a leg, part of the leg, like a front shoulder.
That was good.
You like that?
Yeah.
So nothing weird. Like I said, real clean meat, man. Doesn't smell at all. You know, the turtle himself,
That was a big turtle.
the turtle himself, he's a little stinky.
Yeah.
Mine is really spicy. So mixed up.
That's your first time having turtle, huh?
That I can remember.
You're part of the turtle club
You
now.
can't remember. What are you talking about? Son, we never ate turtle.
He said that I can remember. Oh, man, you never know, you know? He's like, I don't know.
What?
I might have been a mama and ate it somewhere.
No, I guarantee you, Mama ain't never ate turtle. I promise you, son.
That's a turtle foot.
Look at it.
She loves it, bro. You like that? Dude, Walker likes it. My man, right here, bro. Dude, we had a very turtley day, didn't we? Not very fishy, but it was super turtley.